The LyfeFocus Acupressure Mat offers a holistic approach to managing aches, pains and stress-related tension, all from the comfort of your own home. It can be used as part of a before or after work routine, or just to help you unwind after a long day. The mat helps to relieve tension, boost sleep and energy levels, and reduce blood pressure. This is a large size mat and it's designed with softened acupressure points, and these target the different pressure points on your back, neck, shoulders and back of the head to help relax your muscles. It's ideal if you spend long hours sat in front of a computer, and you can even use it during regular yoga and meditation sessions. Plus, you can take it anywhere as it comes with its very own handy travel bag. Why not visit the LyfeFocus store for a more holistic approach to your health and well-being, and for solutions for managing aches and pains, whether you're working from home or the office.